Zdravo everyone, it's Vlad and welcome to my newest video. Today I'm again with my friend Elisi and we are going to do something special for you. I've been today to the supermarket and I bought some various snacks, but these are not just any snacks. These are Serbian snacks, which are very popular in my home country. Got 5 in total and we are going to try them out together. Elisa, have you had ever Serbian snacks before?
No, it's my first time and I am excited and I hope I like it.
So what are we waiting for? Let's check them out.
Euro cream.
Yeah, Euro creme block.
It's beautiful.
Yeah, it looks really nice on the picture. Let's open it up.
Yes. I love chocolate.
Oh yeah, I love chocolate as well. The thing is, this chocolate doesn't look like a normal one that you can break it down into smaller pieces. It's like just a whole bar.
It's good.
Get also one piece.
It's very good, but I eat usually sweet chocolate and it's different, but I like it. It's very good. It's good.
I like it as well. The taste of the chocolate is slightly different from any other chocolate I usually eat, but this is mainly because it is also with hazelnut. And I think that makes the chocolate a bit distinguishable and it's tasty. I can definitely recommend it to you.
It's good. And now this one.
Smoky. These are Serbian flips. Let's open them up. The package is not half empty as with normal crisps or anything like that, but that makes it even better that in a smaller package that you can put more inside. Let's take some.
No.
You don't like them?
No.
They're tasty. I don't know what you have. They're awesome.
No, I don't like it. No.
Is it disgusting?
Yes. It's disgusting for me.
I can eat a whole bag of them. They're so tasty. They're really good. No, but not in Elise's opinion. So from me, definitely a recommendation, but from her, rather not.
No. Better chocolate.
Marshmallow. There's a focus. Yeah, it's written that it is a cake. Let's try them out. But on the picture they look tasty, don't they?
Yes.
Yeah.
Look nice. Are they?
Yeah, they do. And they look like this. Like in German, there's Schokoküsse. They look very similar with these, just that these are much smaller in the size. And yeah, let's try them out.
It's good. I like it.
They're pretty decent. I think from that how they look like, they look pretty much the same as on the picture. Unlike McDonald's burgers.
Marshmallow is fine. I like it.
Me too. It's really good.
Biscuit. I love biscuit. I hope it's good.
Yeah. Outside from Serbia they're called lane, but in Serbia they're usually called plasma. And these are the chocolate ones. And they're just like a regular lane biscuits. They're just mantled with chocolate.
I think it's good too. I have to see it. Beautiful biscuit.
also get one.
It's good.
Yeah, they look really nice. So they're pretty decent. I really love them.
It's
From the taste, yeah, you get a biscuit and the chocolate above it. It's not so much chocolate, and that makes it easy to eat, and not like marshmallow, which is like heavy.
It's much sugar.
Yes.
Yes.
That's why I prefer these over marshmallow.
Yes. I think.
And we got in the end these, the Negro candy. They're probably the most popular candy all over Serbia.
Yes.
And they're also single packaged.
Single package.
Yeah, like each having its own package. A very distinguishable taste from any usual candy you can get here.
I like it. It's good.
Yeah.
Also for me, this is better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you think this is the best from all the candies you've tasted here, or? I don't know. For me, it's difficult.
For me, I like this one and this one.
Yeah. Euro Creme Block and Negro. Yeah, this is really good. I think for me, of course, Smoky. Smoky is perfect if you want to watch TV on an evening.
I hate this.
Yeah. Hard to understand. I don't know, because they're really nice to eat. But actually the rest I like around the same, equal, but when I can decide what I like from the other ones the most, then it's probably also Negro, because they have such a unique taste. Nothing comparable with anything else. What I don't understand, because these products are very underestimated. And actually, compared to the other stuff sold here, it is generally cheaper. I didn't pay a lot for that stuff. Give me a second.
2000 Jahre später.
So as you can see, I paid for most of the stuff less than 2 francs, and I mean, I was very surprised that for a package of flips you pay only 1.40. I mean, in Serbia the stuff is generally much cheaper than here, but that makes it more distinguishable, and I mean, the value for money for that stuff is just great. I mean, I expected to pay much more because it's import, but fortunately I didn't. And that's why I'm glad that you can buy such stuff here for a very cheap price. Hopefully we'll do the next time as well another challenge with foreign candies. maybe she will do something with Brazilian candies and snacks. That will be very awesome if she could find something.
Thanks for watching, and see you next time.
Yeah, that was it also from my side. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, leave a sub, leave a comment. Follow Elisa on her social media and on YouTube, and we hope to see you the next time. Zdravo!